What's up everybody, this is Dallas Stone here, and today in this video I'm going to show you a bevels for subdivision trick. So I'll explain. It's essentially subdivision when you're doing sub-D modeling. Typically there's kind of a way to do things. So for example, we have this cube here. Let's make sure that shading's on, or that our normals are turned on to auto smooth, and let's put on a subdivision mesh. Let's put two segments, two views in the subdivision on. Let's go to edit here. And typically what's going to happen in most cases is you're going to add edge loops, right, to your sub-D modeling if you want to get like a smooth kind of beveled look, right? And you're going to end up doing this kind of the whole time, right? So to kind of save you some time, what you can do is you want to add another cube here. I'm going to move it over here. Same thing, we're going to give it a shade smooth. I'm going to go to auto smooth, and then this time we're going to add subdivision again, two segments or two subdivisions, and then now we're going to select all the edges here, and we're going to control B for bevels or edge bevel edges. We're going to let's say go somewhere around here, and we're gonna scroll up on the wheel 2 times, and we're gonna open up this bevel's properties here, and we're actually gonna take the profile and go 1. Now when you do that, turn off X-ray mode, you essentially saved a lot of time from having to go into this one, putting another line here, right, putting another line on the other side. You just do this with one step and you're good to go, and you're going to get pretty much a similar, if not the same, result, just done a lot quicker. So hopefully that helps you out with your sub-D modeling. See you all next time. Bye now.